calling the Topeka Police Department. If you need an officer to respond to your location for any reason...
So kind of the same thing they said on the phone. I've been knocking on the door, can't get a response.
She told me she was drunk, so...
We are currently waiting for law enforcement to show up now.
Hop in, boys, let's go!
Get this, she ran from the cops. I just got a call from AAA that she needs help again. Did you guys ever get the lady that drove off? I know where she is. Full moons are crazy nights.
Calling the Topeka Police Department. If you need an officer to respond to your location for any reason, including traffic hazard or...
Actually, no, it's 2836 Southwest Fair Lawn Road in Topeka, Kansas, at the gas station.
And what's going on there?
There was a guy that called for a tire change, and I've been banging on his window for a while now, and he's not responding.
Okay, let me transfer you to the paramedics.
Okay.
Paramedics, tell me exactly what happened.
Okay, so I was called out here to do a tire change on this guy's vehicle, but when I got to the parking lot, he is not responding to me knocking on his window pretty aggressively. He's clearly breathing, but I cannot open the car door to get him awake. And so at this point, I don't know if he's intoxicated of any sort. It should be easy for the paramedics to spot me. I am in a road rescue truck with a bunch of flashing red and blue lights, so it should be pretty easy for them to find me.
Okay. Got everybody heading that way.
Yep, that would be them.
Okay, just let me know when they're right with you, okay?
Yes, they are pulling into the parking lot right now. Not a problem, thank you so much. Bye-bye.
You're welcome, brother.
Howdy. So kind of the same thing they said on the phone. I've been knocking on the door, can't get a response. His breathing is quite normal, but I can't get him to reply. I banged on the door, but I can't open the door. She called for a flat tire.
And you got here and
She wasn't responsive at all. Like, that was the problem, is when I got here, she wasn't responsive at all. And knocked on the glass multiple times, knocked on the door, she shook the car, and just nothing. That's why I was like, no. Yeah, I didn't want to take that chance. So what's you guys'
we're getting the police department out here.
Thank you. Do you want me to chalk the tires or no?
Just hold off on it.
It's a full moon. That's all I gotta say.
We're just going off because she told me she was drunk, so...
So we can't obviously let her drive.
This is a much longer wait time than usual.
Yeah, I guess PD's slammed right now.
Finally. that was a first for me. I've never had that situation happen. That's an absolute first. Welcome to Topeka, Kansas. Yeah. What a night for road rescue. God, we might have it to be continued. Holy shit. Okay, so we just finished up a tire change. Totally different service, different employer, everything else. Well, we just got another call. Guess what? Same person, same vehicle, different locations. Did she get away from the cops? Oh my god, dude, it just keeps going. What is up with tonight? Bro, there's no way this is legit. Right now, what I'm doing is I'm keeping my eyes out for law enforcement so I can have a chat with them. The idea would be if I can find an officer relatively close. Right over there. I just spotted one. Howdy, sir. By chance, did you guys ever get the lady that drove off on 2 officers from the paramedics? I know where she is. She just called back for service. She is...
West 29. It's
right down the road here.
well, it's over by Dairy Queen.
Mm-hmm.
What's she claiming? She broke down.
Yeah, it says that she needs a tire changed. So since she drove off last time, if you guys want, I can put it up on. I can literally take the tire off, and then you guys just go in and.
Hang on a second. 493 to 444.
Okay.
Got a 4.
What is called for?
93 to 44. Had a roadside service guy come up to me here at 200 gauge. He said he got a call for that subject in that white Lexus or whatever it is for a tire change. Supposedly she's at 5200 West 29th.
And the boy?
The officer that's looking for her, because he went to like an last known address over there by like 29th and 100. That's where he was at.
Okay.
Which kind of jived because she was at 20th and Furlong, so we thought she was only a mile from home.
Yep.
Only a mile the other way. So, or she may not actually live over there. Probably that's part where she had to stop because of the flat tire.
Yep.
So, but anyway, he's on his way over there now.
Okay.
I don't know the details as far as what her malfunction is.
I don't know either.
I know AMR was checking her out or something.
Yeah.
But...
Yeah, because I was there on that scene because I got called out to change her tire the first time. And then, so when I got called out there, she didn't respond.
Do they have a Texas plate, do you know?
Yes.
Okay.
And it's a Mazda CR, a CX-5, beige in color.
Yeah, if you want to head over there, you know, because it's whatever you...
I still have to physically head over there anyways,
Yep.
so...
Officers will be there by the time you get there.
Sounds good, man. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Midwest Road Rescue, this is Jordan speaking. How can I help you?
Jordan, it's Chapman. Recorded line. How you doing?
I'm doing good. By chance, is this are you calling about a call for a, like a Mazda CX-5
I am. Apparently wrapped, and that's the wrong information to begin with, and I'm the driver. I'm not sure if he's not able to find them.
Okay, so there's a lot of miscommunication going on. Right now she's running from the law, and I'm working with local law enforcement to get her, so...
Ouch. Alright, very good. Thanks for all you do.
Not a problem. Bye-bye. Did they get her? Same as you guys. Living the dream. I gotta take some photos of the car, document everything on it, and then just good to go.
Same time, in case we gotta hold it for a while. Yeah. Just have to wait for it a little bit.
Okay.
Oh, we're gonna need the car. He wants to take pictures.
I just have to document pretty much everything that happened today because she was my customer, and anytime police get involved, we have to sit there and document everything.
Are you the one that waved down an officer like 21st engaged?
Yes.
Okay. Could this guy get your name and info and all that jazz?
No, I'm joking.
report?
Yeah, that's fine.
Man. Well, once again, I'm Officer Sanchez up to the police department, and I just say that spills to everybody.
Yeah, no, that's fine, man.
So I guess, tell me what happened.
From
What your point of view?
From my point of view, she called for roadside assistance. As I showed up, she was at the gas station parking lot.
Which gas station?
The To-Go gas station.
To-Go gas station.
Yes. At pump 7, she was. I got on scene. She was clearly not responding. I banged on the window, knocked on the window quite a handful of times to try to get her attention. She did not respond. Because this happening before with other customers, I went ahead and called 911.
Okay.
They advised me to get a hold of the paramedics. Went through with the paramedics, had them show up, and then they got into the vehicle. They woke her up. When they woke her up, she was irate. Started cursing at the fire department, started cursing at the EMTs, and then either she said that she was drugged or she is drunk. One of the two is what she said. With that being stated, the EMTs had to stay on scene until law enforcement showed up, and then that's when a couple of the law enforcement guys showed up and started to question her. She was irate with the police officers, and as she was getting quite verbally aggressive, she ended up driving off on the officer while an officer was still holding onto the door. She ended up driving off, squirreling the tires, and driving off. With that, I went ahead and called her insurance company to let her know she's a bitch, and drove off.
Okay.
She called back again about 15 minutes ago, said that she needs a tire change. And because of just being involved with her, I wanted to make sure to reach out to one of you guys. I found someone in the parking lot, talked to him, communicated with him of where she was going to be. And because I have to show up on scene, I went ahead and showed up to make sure you guys could take care of this. And yeah, that's all.
Cool. All right. And you say you just need pictures?
I just need to take photos of the car to document the vehicle, that I was with the vehicle, and then any damages on the vehicle so they don't come back to us. And then can I get a case number or report number?
Yep, that's fine. I can get you one.
Okay.
All right. All right.
Well, we call these our victim sheets, but obviously tonight
You're not a victim.
Oh, thank God.
So, but
Okay.
case number, my name and badge number. The lead officer in this case is going to be Officer Drippy and then Officer McCormick.
Okay.
But I'm still going to give you mine since I'm the one that spoke to you.
Okay.
And then you just need your pictures, right?
Yes, I just need to get photos of the car and stuff.
You can just wait for them to get down and
Okay.
talk to Sergeant. Let them know that you just want your pictures. Other than that, you're good. You don't need anything else.
No, yeah, that's all I need.
Okay.
What they decide to do with the car?
What's that?
Have they decided what to do with the car yet?
Not yet. Right now they're searching through it. I just need to get some photos of it to pretty much document that it was here. I was here too. And then besides that, I just got to report it. And then besides that, I mean...
Okay. I don't know if she's with the rental, so I don't know if she's on the rental agreement or whatever, but usually on something like this, we would probably just call a rental company and ask them what to do with it. They may say, oh, just leave it parked, or they'll say, have so-and-so tow it, or whatever. But we might have the answer right here.
Hey, Sergeant Wilson said whenever they're done, you're more than welcome to take pictures.
Okay, awesome, man. Thank you.
No problem. Hey, Sergeant.
Yep. There you go.
Sounds good, man. Well, awesome, man. I'm glad I could help as little bit as I did, but...
No, so as soon as you left me, I raided the officers because they were looking for it. They come over here, they find it down the street. They get it behind it and it takes off again. This is where she stopped and bailed.
Mm-hmm.
So then we could hear her in the easement back there.
Yep.
crashing through the branches and stuff. So we had her surrounded and ended up finding her. So.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know why people try to just run. I don't understand, but especially when you're barefoot.
Yeah, I don't know what her malfunction is. But...
I don't know. It's full moon. That's all I got. Have a good one, man. Yes, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir. Oh no, they could definitely do that. Yeah, no, I have so much other things to do. I gotta go to Maple Hill next, so no, they could do it. Okay, I'll try to stop bothering you guys tonight. Have a good one. Okay, I did not expect a part 2 to that. Wow. Apparently she took off and then ran up the road and then started running on foot, probably because she realized she couldn't get far. And then once she started running on foot, they were able to catch up to her and detain her. And it sounded like she got a pretty hefty list of charges. Yeah, she's going to jail tonight. And I will be going into a big, soft, fluffy white bed tonight. So, different strokes for different folks, I guess.